3 upvotes, 5 installs, 55 in the top 100 of Product Hunt launch in that day. So not really good results for the first launch on Product Hunt. But let's talk about BroPay, BroLabel in general, and the results of first release of our first small but viable product. My name is Vadim Rozov. You are on the channel BroLabel. And today I'm recording a fun diary about the last week, what have changed and what we have implemented and what result we have at this moment. So let's talk about BroPay. This was never our main product. It was additional free tool for promotion and generation of new leads. So the small B2C extension for the Chrome, which you can use to create invoices and see the current status. Is it paid or not yet for the crypto payments? Our initial plan was to go to the product hunt, get some traction, receive some feedbacks, and use it as a foundation for the next steps or launch of new products. So first insight which I got from this experience that product hunt is really focusing on commercialization. When you just start in creating your adding your product to the product hunt, they're offering to promote your product starting from 5K, and I believe it's also include adding you to the top 10 products of the day where all attention is going. So the main idea of such platforms to attract new beta testers, so it should be platform where customers, open-minded customers who want to try new tools should find new interesting products. And from the other side, there is founders like me who publishing everyday new products. It's just result of selection before this launch day from admin team of Product Hunt. You get most of the attention. I'm fine with it. I'm not right now here to somehow explain our fail. This is fail. We just learning new things. The main idea of this video is that building something never mean getting new user from it. So in life cycle of every startup, you are starting with idea. Next step, it's funding. You should invest in this idea your money, your time, maybe additional investment from friends and family. And after the funding, you should develop what you desired to develop. Even if you are deep in the, let's say, in the market itself, you was from the both side, from the client side, from the service side, and you understand the idea that, okay, this product should be really valuable to the end customers. But right now, we can see that the steps, search for the market fit, I believe even more expensive than developing of the product itself. About the product BroPay, it was side project around our main functionality BroSettlement. We built a free tool for the end customers to promote our main service. That's why I still have plans how to promote this product. on the social network. Maybe we will play with paid advertising, but it wasn't huge success from the day one, and we should focus more on distribution and attracting new customers. Meanwhile, we are continue working on the BroSettlement. Just want to remember that we have implemented and released key generation, 3 parts, 1 part of on the service side and 2 parts on the client side. Also, we have implemented disaster recovery process. It's AI skill which helps you to sign transaction on your wallets even without BroSettlement part in case something happened with it. And the last and not the least, we are focusing right now on marketing planning and next steps to attract new customers. Thank you, everyone. It was all news for this week, and I hope the next week will be more fun and more interesting in terms of attracting first customers or getting more attention to our brand. Thank you very much. You're on the channel BroLabel. See you next week.